Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Classic Science Annual Exam or Session Ending Exam Sample Paper. Multiple choice questions carrying 1 mark each. First one, what is the main source of energy for the earth? Options are option A moon, option B wind, option C sun, option D water. Correct answer is option C sun. Sun is the main source of energy for the earth. Second one, example of a lustrous material. Option A gold, option B paper, option C rubber, option D wood. Correct answer is option A gold. The normal temperature of a healthy human body is taken to be option A 17 degrees Celsius, option B 32 degrees Celsius, option C 37 degrees Celsius, option D 47 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 37 degrees Celsius. The process of conversion of water into its vapor state is called option A condensation, option B melting, option C evaporation, option D freezing. Correct answer is evaporation. Evaporation is the process of conversion of water into its vapor state. The process of separating grains from the stalks is known as option A hand picking, option B threshing, option C winnowing, option D sieving. Correct answer is option B threshing. Removal of waste products from the body is called option A reproduction, option B respiration, option C digestion, option D excretion. Correct answer is option D excretion. Vana Mahotsav is a week-long event celebrated across the country during the month of options are June, July, August, February. Correct answer is July. Which is a renewable resource? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, air. Correct answer is air. Dash is commonly called the morning star or the evening star. Option A Mercury, option B Venus, option C Earth, option D Mars. Correct answer is option B Venus. A temperature measured as 37 degrees Celsius on Celsius scale is equivalent to dash on Fahrenheit scale. Option A 37 degree Fahrenheit, option B 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, option C 90.6 degree Fahrenheit, option D 58.7 degree Fahrenheit. Correct answer is option B 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Next one, what is condensation? Option A, the process of conversion of water into its solid state. Option B, the process of conversion of ice into its liquid state. Option C, the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid state. Option D, the process of conversion of water into its gaseous state. Correct answer is option C, the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid state. The process of settling down of heavier insoluble component at the bottom of a liquid is called dash. Option A sedimentation, option B decantation, option C threshing, option D winnowing. Correct answer is option A sedimentation. Next one, imagine a plant placed near a window. How might it respond to the stimulus light? Option A, it might wilt and die. Option B, it might grow towards the light source. Option C, it might change its color to blue. Option D, it might grow away from the light source. Correct answer is option B, it might grow towards the light source. Why is it important to conserve natural resources? Option A, to ensure their availability for future generations. Option B, to protect the environment. Option C, to maintain ecological balance. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next one, what causes day and night on earth? Option A, the moon's orbit. Option B, the earth's rotation. Option C, the sun's movement. Option D, the earth's revolution. Correct answer is option B, the earth's rotation. Section B, each question carries 1 mark. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Next one, the circulation of water between the Earth's surface and atmosphere is known as the water cycle. Next one, dash is used to extract butter from curd. Churning. A plant's life cycle starts with dash. Answer is seed germination. Next one, resources that are in limited quantities and do not get replenished within a reasonable period are called non-renewable resources. Next one, our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Section C, short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each. What is a solar system? The Sun, 8 planets, their moons, and many smaller objects, including asteroids, comets, together form the solar system. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. What are fossil fuels? Petroleum along with natural gas and coal are commonly called fossil fuels. They are formed essentially from the remains of microorganisms and plants that got buried deep inside the earth and were converted to petroleum, natural gas and coal. It takes millions of years for these fuels to form. What are the essential features of living beings? The essential features of living beings are that they move, eat, grow, breathe, excrete, respond to stimuli, reproduce and die. Absence of any of these features indicates that they are not living beings. Next one, what is hand picking when it is considered as a convenient method of separation? The method of picking by hand from a mixture when 2 or more substances are mixed, such as small stones and husk from wheat and rice, is called hand picking. If the particles to be removed are present in small quantities and can easily be picked by hand, hand picking proves to be a convenient method. A laboratory thermometer is not used to measure our body temperature. Give a reason. Laboratory thermometers are designed to measure a wide range of temperatures, often from well below freezing to high temperatures. This makes them less accurate for measuring the small temperature variations in the human body. Section D, questions carrying 3 marks each. You can see stars fading away at dawn and appearing at dusk. During the day, we do not see the stars. Explain why. During daytime, due to the extreme brightness of the sun, it is not possible to view the other stars. The sun is so bright during the day that it scatters its light across the sky. The scattered light from the sun makes it difficult to see the light from distant stars. As the sun sets, the sky darkens, allowing the light from stars to become visible again. So due to extreme brightness of the sun, we are not able to see the other stars. The sun is so bright during the day that it scatters its light across the sky. The scattered light from the sun makes it difficult to see the light from other distant stars. As the sun sets, the sky darkens, allowing the light from stars to become visible again. Explain the life cycle of a mosquito. Mosquitoes pass through 4 stages in their life cycle: egg, larva, pupa and adult. A mosquito begins its life as an egg, that is stage 1. The egg develops into a larva, that is stage 2. The larva grows into a pupa, that is stage 3. And the pupa transforms into an adult mosquito, that is stage 4. The adult female mosquito lays eggs directly on or near water and the cycle continues. See this picture? Stage 1 egg, stage 2 larva, stage 3 pupa, stage 4 adult mosquito. Why do we say that petroleum is a non-renewable resource? Fossil fuels like petroleum take millions of years to form. They are found in limited quantities and once used they get exhausted. They are not produced or replenished within a reasonable period of time. So we say that petroleum is a non-renewable resource. What are the differences in the properties of water in solid, liquid and gaseous states? Ice is a solid state. It retains its shape irrespective of the container in which it is placed, while water takes the shape of the container. Ice does not flow or spread. Then water, that is liquid state, flows and changes its shape. Water does not have a fixed shape. It takes up the shape of the container in which it is kept, but the volume of water remains constant. Then what about water vapor or gaseous state? It exhibits a property of spreading out in the entire available space. Gases do not possess a fixed shape. Next section E, match the following, 4 marks. Blue planet is Earth. Then dwarf planet, Pluto. Natural satellite, Moon. Milky Way galaxy is Akashaganga. Fill in the blank boxes marked as A, B, C and 1, 2, 3, 4 for conversation of different states of water using the words given in the box. 4 marks. Solid melts to form liquid. Liquid freezes to form solid. Liquid evaporates to form gas. Gas condenses to form liquid. Who am I? 5 marks. First one, I can measure your body temperature. Who am I? Thermometer. Next one, I appear stationary in the north direction, which helps to locate the north direction in the northern hemisphere. Answer is the pole star. Next one, you cannot survive without dash for even a few minutes. Oxygen. Next one, I am a natural home for many wild animals including birds and insects. Answer is forest. I am featured with saucer-shaped leaves. I am an insectivore. Answer is Drosera. Match the mixtures in column 1 with their method of separation in column 2, 5 marks. Oil mixed with water. Method of separation is decantation. Next, iron powder mixed with sawdust. Magnetic separation. Corn mixed with potatoes. Hand picking. Cream from milk. Churning. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Children, other exam related videos are posted. Please check the playlist.